Here's a great way to make your work look important. Whether it's a drawing, a letter, a certificate, or even a little doodle, why not give it an official stamp? Look at this. And it looks very important. And it's all done with a good old wax crayon and 2 round coins. Now, you need one slightly bigger than the other. And the idea is to place your big coin on your paper. Now, no one ever stamps things carefully. It's usually just thumped on. So place the coin so that it overlaps a bit of your work, like that, and then draw around the coin. Now, the idea is to make the line broken with gaps, so it looks like an official stamp where the ink hasn't printed perfectly. They never do. You could even just go around it twice, just stabbing to make a broken line, and it helps with the effect, just leaving gaps as you go. You want the line to be perfectly round but broken, so it's perfectly imperfect. And you know, that's a good tip to remember. When doing an official stamp, make it perfectly imperfect. Then take your smaller coin and do the same again inside the big line. Again, make it perfectly imperfect. Just stabbing so you get these broken lines as you go. And now you take that coin away and you've got this border. Then the idea is to add detail to the stamp. Now, they usually have a date on, so just make the numbers as neat as you can, but again, just leave gaps in each of the figures, like that, so it looks like the ink is blotchy already. See that? Making it nice and neat, the right shape, but just with gaps in it. And again, perfectly imperfect. And you can add writing around the border. I'm going to write Art Attack. You can write whatever you want. You put your name, a message, phone number. Now, sometimes the writing on those official stamps is so small that you can't always tell what they say anyway, so I'm just doing some squiggles here. Still looks good. You could even do a pattern or a design just inside here. Again, just to make it look fancy, but again, make the lines broken. And one more up there, I think. Just like a little flower effect up there. So it's perfectly imperfect. And then finally, just smudge it a bit to make it look authentic, as if it was done in a rush and the ink has smudged slightly before it was dry. And there it is, your own perfectly imperfect official stamp. And here's another good tip. You can practice them on all of that junk mail. You know that junk mail that comes through your letterbox? Well, don't throw it away. Use them to practice your official stamps. Looks good on them, doesn't it? And how about trying different designs, like maybe a double stamp there, making him look official, whoever he is. And how about this? Top secret on an envelope. This time it's an official stamp with straight edges, which I used a straight rubber to draw around. But again, the lines are broken and perfectly imperfect. See that? Or what about private on a diary? Now, this is a slightly bigger one, which I've added these curly edges to. Again, perfectly imperfect. Try it yourself. Perfectly imperfect. An official stamp.
Oh, what a fantastic art attack! Creating your very own official stamps. I had a go at making one of those the other day. Do you want to see it? An official stamp! Get it? Official stamp! Oh, I'm too much.